Students, today will we discuss about character of Captain John. एक चिल्ड्रन एंड प्ले में है शॉर्ट स्टोरी. ओके, इसमें एक करेक्टर है कैप्टन जॉन. कैप्टन जॉन इज क्वाइट jerky because when he walks he almost limps. He is a strongly built man with gentle eyes. He has a dark hair patched with white hair. He is very popular among children who consider him as attractive as a magpie. Harriet too soon gives up her dislike for him and thinks that Nan may be right in admiring John like a young prince. Okay. फर्स्ट है frequent visitor to Harriet's family. In rumor gardens, children at play. Harriet is a very sensitive girl. She finds her family quite maddening. She is also very much disturbed to notice that Captain John is frequent visitor to her family. Next is strong and brave. In the beginning, she does not like him because when he walked, the almost limped. But when she comes to know from her mother that he walked in his manner because of a serious injury, she considers him strong and brave. Next है young prince. She also acknowledged the fact that Nan admired Captain John and even considered him a young prince. Nan also tells Harriet that Captain John came to them so frequently only because they could give him something that he needed. All these things about Captain John bring a change in Harriet's attitude towards him. Like Nan and others, she too begins to like him. Okay. Next, I bring a change in Harriet's attitude. Captain John is quite jerky because when he walks, he almost limps. He is a strongly built man with gentle eyes. His dark hair patched with white hair. He is very popular among children who consider him as attractive as a magpie. Harriet too soon gives up her dislike for him and thinks that Nan may be right in admiring John like a young prince. Next, attractive personality. Captain John is described in Children at Play has an attractive personality. He is frequent visitor to the family of Harriet. He comes to Harriet's home so often that it irritates her. Next है a gentleman. He is quite a gentleman who loves to play with children. He is unaware of the feelings of Harriet, but likes Nan, who admires him very much. He looks like a young prince to her. Okay. In rumor gardens, children at play. Harriet, very sensitive girl. Okay. Harriet, the small growing child, was always mentally disturbed. Though there were many children in the family, yet she felt quite lonely. Other children, being named Victoria and Boggy, all were busy playing charms and other games. Her parents had no time for her. Her father was always busy doing work office work and mother too was all the time busy with the family, her servants, notes, letters, lessons and accounts. Moreover, she was going to have another baby soon. She wanted to play with her brother Bogie, but he was busy playing with lizards and grass snakes and lived in his own private world. Naturally, she felt extremely disappointed and lonely. According to rumor Gordon, Harriet felt lonely in her family. She found her family maddening. Her father was too busy and had no time for Harriet or for any other member. Her mother was also busy in the affairs of the house, the family, and with servants. This, she was always busy in her notes, letters, lessons, and accounts. Her brother name was important to her like bread, which is necessary every day for life. She had become more friendly with Valley, who was a weak, hard girl whom Harriet disliked, and feared Vogie was much younger and he played in his own way. Often he played with lizards and snakes. Bogie and children at village Harriet's younger brother, he is very thin little boy, having sensitive and lumpy forehead. His eyes are small and brown but have quick and live expression. He is completely absorbed in his own private life. He has curious habits. For instance, he loves to play with lizards and grass snakes. He plays armies with insects instead of playing with toy soldiers. His best game is going down the garden without being seen. While playing alone, he is always being stung or brushed or bitten. But he does not make a fuss. He is self-centered and brave boy who enjoy his loneliness and difficulty like a carefree, happy going little boy. It is on account of his curious pastime and habits that Harriet finds it impossible to play with him. Harriet is central character in the essay entitled Children at Play. The essay is in fact a story which deals with a psychological nest of Harriet. She is a small growing up child. She belongs to a big family which consists of parents, 3 sisters, and 1 brother. But she is victim of loneliness because her parents are too busy to pay proper attention to her. Her sisters and brother remain busy in their own world. They have their own likes and dislikes. Harriet develops closeness with trees and river bank and passes time thinking about her future. She is very much worried and confused as to what is going to happen to her. All this shows that Harriet is a very sensitive girl. She truly represents an adolescent who is always full of aspirations but finds it difficult to adjust with people who have a different way of life. Captain John is described in Children at Play as an attractive personality. He is a frequent visitor to the family of Harriet. He comes to Harriet's home to play so often that it irritates her. He is quite a gentleman who loves to play with children. He is unaware of the feelings of Harriet, but like Nan, who admires him very much. He looks like a young prince to her. Captain John is quite jerky because when he walks he almost limps. He is a strongly built man with gentle eyes. He has dark hair patched with white hair. He is very popular among children who consider him as attractive as a magpie, Harriet too soon gives up her dislike for him and thinks that Nan may be right in admiring John like a young prince. Harriet's sister Nan was fond of playing charms to tell what was going to happen to Harriet and other children. She dropped pieces of lead tinfoil into boiling water. When they were softened, she lifted them out and put them on a cold plate. When they hardened, whatever shape they looked was indicative of the future. Captain John dropped a charm for Harriet. When it melted, he dropped it again on the plate. The matter formed itself into a round ball. Nan told that it was like the globe on the father's desk, but Harriet imagined that she could see she and land on it. She was unable to interpret that it told about her future. She was still confused. Okay. All these things about Captain John bring a change in Harriet's attitude towards him. Like Nan and others, she too begins to like him. Okay.